Alright, here's a little demonstration on the Lone Wolf setup that Storm 27M on Archery Talk came up with. One of the best ideas I've seen for the Lone Wolf setup without being buckless. So you got your rope with a loop on it. You can do an overhand, or you get it braided like I did, and then make an eye in it. There's tons of videos on YouTube on how to do that. But let's get to setting the stick on the tree. Just like normal, you wrap around. You want to take your rope behind your eye. And that's what's awesome about this setup here. Give her a nice tight pull, and she stays. But to be secure, we're going to put a couple of half hitches in here. So staying on the front side of the stick, come back up, you take your tag in through the loop that's made, pull that, pull her down tight. Simple. Just repeat that again. There's your double half hitch. I'm all of 230. There is going to be a little bit of a pull down, just like with UCR. A little more than what you'd have with your buckle system, but I'll put all my weight on the stick and you can see how much it pulls down. Holds me just fine. Rock solid. Now you might think that, man, I just really cinched that knot down. Well, once again, one-handed. I'm not even going to lift the stick up to take the tension off it. Just simply grab that loop, pull it up, one half hitch, pull your other loop up, stick's free. That simple, that great. Awesome idea. Wish I would have came up with it.